Okay, now KGB, it's time to science experiment. So we're gonna to make a little experiment from you must prepare a balloon, just one balloon, and then plastic bottle is empty plastic bottle, and hot water and cold water and a plate. So this plate will fill this with this hot water. But remember, you must carefully for this hot water. You can help by your mommy and or daddy at your home, yeah. So let's try it. Okay, so here we go. For the first steps is take this plastic bottle first, and then a balloon, and then cover a head of this bottle with this balloon. But if you cannot do by yourself, you can help by your mommy or daddy. And then after like this, you must put the cold and hot water inside the plate, but this one this cold water already inside the plate, and the last one is hot water, but you must put it nicely. You can help by your mommy or daddy, yeah. And done. So what happened with this experiment, you can see it. But I want to put inside with this hot water first, yeah, like this. Look the balloon. Look the balloon carefully. Okay, this balloon will blown up. If I put in a hot water like this, look like you fill this balloon with the gas. And next, if I put in a cold water, so what will be? Look, this not fill. Look, if I put inside the cold water, the balloon is not blown up. Not same like when I put in hot water. But you must wait the blown up carefully, yeah. Okay, just this experiment from me. So let's try it at your home.